Hello students, I hope you all are very fine. In the previous videos, we learned about how to turn on and off the computer. So after turning on the computer, you would like to work on it. So to work on the computer, you must know about the keyboard. So today I am going to explain you about the keys of the keyboard. So today's topic is unit number 5, the keyboard. First we'll see the introduction of keyboard. This is the keyboard. You use pencil to write in your notebook. Children, to write in our notebook, we use pencil. So in the same way, a keyboard is used to write on a computer screen. If we want to write on a computer screen, we should use keyboard. Writing on a computer using the keyboard is called typing. Writing on a computer using the keyboard is called typing. This is the typing. We use keyboard keys to type on the computer. Now, features of keyboard. Keyboard is one of the main parts of the computer which is used to type on it. Keyboard is one of the main parts of the computer. It has many buttons which are called keys. Keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. There are 101 to 105 keys on the keyboard. Various keyboards have various number of keys on it. The keys on the keyboard are mainly divided into 4 parts. The keyboard keys are mainly divided into 4 parts. They are alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, function keys and arrow keys. So first let's learn these keys. Children, these are the alphabet keys. Alphabet means A, B, C, D, A to Z. So A to Z keys are called the alphabet keys. It includes capital ABCD as well as small ABCD. There are 26 alphabet keys marked on the keyboard. Next is the number keys. There are 1 to 9 and 0 number keys on the keyboard. There are keyboard keys are given 2 times. Okay. Next comes special keys. Spacebar key, caps lock key, backspace key, enter key. These are the special keys. Now F1, F2, F3 till F12. These are the function keys. And these are the arrow keys. Let's learn these keys in detail. First, alphabet keys. These are the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys marked on the keyboard with the letter A to Z. These keys help us to type words and sentences. The keyboard does not have keys in an alphabetical order like A, B, C and so on. It does not have ABCD in alphabetical order, means it does not have ABCD in A, B, C, D format. You can see children, first line contains Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Second row contains A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Third row contains Z, X, C, V, B and N. These are the alphabetical keys. Now number keys. There are 10 number keys on the computer marked with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These keys are used to type number, table, solve sums and etc. Now comes the special keys. In special key, One is the enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing. Enter key is also called return key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Next is the backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase the letter to the left of the cursor. Children, here comes the word cursor. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. It is like the eye of the ABCD. It is a small blinking line on the monitor. Where is the cursor? We can start typing from there. And backspace key erases the letter to the left of the cursor. This is the last key in the row of number keys marked with the backward arrow. Next is the caps lock key. Caps lock is an on or off key. If the caps lock key is on, capital letters are tapped, and if the caps lock key is off, small letters are tapped. Next is the spacebar key. Spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space to the right of a word. It is used to give the blank space to the right of a word. Next is function keys. There are 12 function keys marked with F1 to F12. Here you can see in the picture F1, F2, F3, F4 till the F12. These are the function keys. Function keys perform different functions. Function keys are located in the topmost row of the keyboard. It is located at the topmost row of the keyboard. Next are the arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys which are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right on the monitor. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. First is this is the upward arrow key. It moves the cursor key. Next is the down arrow key. This moves the cursor downward. Next is right arrow key. This move the cursor one character on the right side. This is the left arrow key. This move the cursor on the left side of the cursor. Okay, so these are the keys of keyboard. Now we will see hard words. First is speak with me children. Keyboard, keyboard. Second, typing, typing. Third one is features, features. alphabet, alphabet. number, number. special, special. enter, enter. space, space. bar, space bar. caps, caps. lock, caps lock. Number 10, function, function. Number 11, arrow, arrow. Last, character, character. Now, tick the correct answer. In that, number 1, a dash is used to type into a computer. Children, which part of a computer is used to type into a computer? Mouse, printer or keyboard? Answer is keyboard. Second, keyboard has many buttons which are called dash. Keyboard has many buttons which are called dash. It is keys, options or icons. The right answer is keys. Number 3. There are dash alphabet keys on the keyboard. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. There are dash arrow keys on the keyboard. How many arrow keys, children? There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Okay, so today we are going to finish our video. And your today's homework is write down hard word and tick the correct answer in your notebook one time. Also fill this tick the correct answer in your textbook. Further exercise we will see in the next video. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.